Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The Malawi government says about 10,000 Malawian nationals are stranded in South Africa following recent anti-immigrant violence and is appealing to financial and logistical support to bring them home. In a statement issued by the Department of Disaster Management Affairs, authorities said that the scale of the repatriation effort has created significant financial, logistical, and humanitarian challenges. The government confirmed it has deployed teams to South Africa, facilitated emergency travel documents, repatriated an initial group of citizens, and set up reception facilities in Malawi for returnees. However, thousands remain in temporary shelters and public spaces in South Africa while awaiting transport home. The appeal is directed at development partners, businesses, humanitarian organizations, and members of the public to contribute money, transport services, and other forms of assistance to support the operation. Authorities say that the situation on the ground remains difficult, with the stranded nationals facing harsh conditions as efforts to coordinate mass repatriation continue. The call comes days after similar concerns were raised by Zimbabwe over citizens returning from South Africa, highlighting the broader regional impact of the violence. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.